Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how to get this deep matte brown lips paired with deep brown eyes, and I've kept the whole look matte so that it is appropriate for people who do not want a lot of gloss or shimmer on their face. I have tried to keep the whole look very simple yet elegant. I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you do so, don't forget to give this video a like. Please continue watching.
Cause I got some million steeds. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
I have started by applying this primer from Lakme Absolute. It gives a very smooth appearance and makes a perfect base for the foundation. For foundation, today I'll be using this Lakme CC cream. It is not exactly a foundation, it is a cream for daily use. It is very sheer in coverage and not at all heavy like a foundation. I'll be applying this all over my face and blending it using my fingers. I'll be applying another layer over my face since it gives a very sheer coverage. It is very lightweight and blends easily. For concealer, I've used this concealer from LA Girl, and I have applied it under my eye area and on my bridge of the nose, also on the forehead, around the mouth area. I'll be blending that again using the help of my ring finger. I've used a pressed powder from Falsies to seal the concealer in place, which I had applied earlier. I'll be using that dark brown shade from the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'll be contouring my face using that shade. I'll be taking that yellow powder from the palette and I'll be applying it below the contour shade. I'll be using this Wet n Wild Kohl liner as an eyebrow pencil today. Since this is a very creamy pencil, it applies very beautifully onto the eyebrows and fills the gaps easily. I'll be applying that using very light pressure. It evenly fills the gaps in the brows and makes them look fuller and defined. I'll be using this bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics and I'll be using it as an eyeshadow. Today I'll be applying it all over the eyelid area and also along my lower lash line. I'll be taking that chocolate brown shade from the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Vice palette and I'm going to apply that dark brown shade on top of the bronzer that I had applied before. I'll also be applying that onto my lower lash line. And then I'll be taking that dark black shade from the palette and I'll be applying that onto the outer V of my eyes to give my eyes some definition. Next I'll be taking that pink shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying that onto my eyelid area. I've used Maybelline Fit Me concealer under my eyes since the eyeshadows had some fallout, so I wanted my under eyes to look clean and highlighted.
When you knock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine.
I've taken the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner and I'll be drawing a winged eyeliner today.
Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Don't forget you and your wicked.
For mascara, I've used the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara and I'll be applying this mascara onto my upper as well as the bottom eyelashes.
You and your wicked ways.
I've used this lip liner from Wet n Wild. First I'll be lining my lips and then I'm going to fill up the entire lip area using that lip liner.
Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah.
Then I'll be taking this matte brown shade from Faces. The shade is Fig Brown. I'll be applying on top of the lip liner that I had applied. This is a very deep matte brown shade, and for blush I've used this blush from Faces and I'll be applying that onto the apples of my cheeks. Again I'll be taking that bronzer from Sure Cosmetics and I'll use it to bronze up my face. I'll be applying that onto my cheek area. And as the last step, I'll be using this highlighter from Wet n Wild and I'll be highlighting the highest points of my face. This is a very subtle highlighter, so it does not look over the board, but still gives that little bit of glow and sheen to the entire face area. And it absolutely looks gorgeous on the face. I'll be applying that on the inner corners of my eyes also to give my eyes that open look. And that is the finished look. I've added a pair of false eyelashes also later on. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care. Love you all. Bye.